Every day, traditional attendance methods like roll calls or paper-based sheets consume a huge amount of teaching time. Not only do these manual records introduce a high margin of error, but they are also highly susceptible to academic dishonesty. Students frequently engage in proxy attendance, which means illicitly signing in for their absent peers. Educational institutions urgently need a modernized automated system to mitigate these administrative burdens and reclaim their valuable teaching time. My approach to this is TapTrack, a digital attendance management solution that utilizes near-field communication or NFC technology. The mechanism is simple. Students just tap their IDs on an NFC reader as they enter. That's it. The system instantly verifies the card's unique identifier, records the exact timestamp, and securely stores all attendance information in a centralized database. All of this data is then pushed into an administrative dashboard at real time. The benefits of TapTrack are immediate. Each card is processed within milliseconds, meaning taking attendance for an entire class only takes a few seconds without interrupting the lesson. Also, TapTrack acts as a natural barrier to proxy attendance because NFC technology has a strict physical proximity requirement, so students must be able to bring their physical assigned cards or IDs, which significantly improves the accuracy and reliability of institutional data. Beyond speed and accuracy, TapTrack features a highly resilient offline data storage capability. So if your internet connectivity drops, the system temporarily stores the attendance records locally to prevent data loss and automatically synchronizes them once the internet is back on. So this is an eco-friendly paperless system that eliminates printed attendance sheets. So when evaluating our competition, other alternatives fall short because biometric systems like fingerprint scanners or other systems have high implementation costs and they have slow processing times during peak entry. And they also raise several data concerns. Also, another system, which are QR codes, are easily shared and vulnerable to remote check-ins. So TapTrack overcomes all of this by providing a fast, accurate, and alternative solution to traditional and complex electronic methods. I am Alexandra Arian V. Gopez, the creator behind TapTrack, and I am ready to modernize classroom management. Thank you.